Hello, this is John with Modern Exterior. I am here in Butler, Wisconsin, taking a look at our roof that we are currently doing. It is an asphalt roof. We are currently working on the tear-off and installing the underlayments. So we have the ice and water going on up there, along with the synthetic felt over the low-risk areas. So you can see the debris comes out here onto the tarps, which gets put into our dump trailer and taken away. And here's the material that gets installed. We are doing new IKO dimensional shingles up there. They are the Dynasty shingles. They're a 40-year shingle that we'll be installing, along with new venting, new underlayments, all new flashings to make sure that this roof is watertight. We will also be installing new seamless 5-inch aluminum K-style gutters to make sure water gets away from any foundation, and there are no issues with that down the line. We want to make sure everything is good on this roof for years to come.